Okay, let's make Christmas slice. So 100 grams of white chocolate, 1.5 cups rice bubbles, 60 grams pistachios, 60 grams dried cherries, but you can change these to cranberries or raspberry lollies even. A cup of desiccated coconut, 200 grams of condensed milk, and 50 grams of coconut oil. You could use vegetable oil, Kofa, but I'm using coconut oil. And yes. Okay, so I've got the saucepan, small saucepan on medium low. We're adding the white chocolate, condensed milk, 200 grams of condensed milk with 100 grams white chocolate. And the 50 grams of coconut oil. And we just want to mix this together until it is all nice and melted together. Okay, we're adding the cup of desiccated coconut to the 1.5 cups of rice bubbles, the 60 grams, you can chop the pistachios if you want, I leave them whole, and the 60 grams of dried cherries. I didn't chop these up either, but you can. Okay, and then we just pour in that melted condensed milk and white chocolate. And then we just mix it together. Okay, so that's done mixing. Just going to bring over the tin that we've lined with baking paper. And we're going to put this in while it's still nice, it's still a bit warm. Okay, now we're just going to evenly spread it out with the spatula. And put it in the fridge for half an hour or until it's set.